Guys, welcome back. As you can see today, we are doing the Prius Gen 2 battery fan cleaning. We just bought this one for my daughter. I did. Just bought it for her. You can tell they had a dog in here at some point. So the way I actually clean these is this is the battery fan right here. If you need to learn how to take all the panels apart, I got another video about refurbishing batteries where we walk through that, or there's a million videos on YouTube. So check that out when you get time. I'm not going to show that here. It's pretty easy. I've got a couple of 10 millimeter bolts. I think there's maybe 3 altogether, one behind here. You disconnect the power to the fan. Get this, usually what I do is I just get this thing off. I kind of shortcut it a little bit. This duct right here, this goes up to your front seat or your back seat vent. Right there, that's where it sucks air in, or blows it out, I'm sorry. So I usually just get this off and then clean it from right here. I'm gonna see if I can do that real quick and then we'll be right back. Now to get this duct off, there's a couple of these push pins. They look just like this thing. You find them all throughout the car. I use this tool right here to pop those out. And it usually gets them out fairly undamaged. You can just push them right back in. I think there's another one, yeah. There's another one right there. So I'm gonna pop those out, get this duct off, and we're gonna see how dirty this is. Hey guys, quick correction on my part. Somebody went through and replaced these at some point. These are these little, you push up the center and pull them out. So a little bit different, but that's okay, we can get it. Okay guys, there is the view. It's not as bad as I've seen some. Let me see if I can move around a little bit, get you a better view. Let me get that to focus. There you go. It is coated pretty good, but I'm just gonna take, what I take is an old toothbrush and I scrub it. I get my shop vac. I don't spin that thing with my shop vac, but I scrub it and let me show you how. Okay guys, there you can see the duct is off. That is furry. That is what I would call a furry battery fan, and that desperately needs cleaned. I'm gonna make sure this moves air. So let me grab my tools and we'll get to cleaning. Hey guys, I got my tools set up. An old toothbrush, a screwdriver, paper towel, my shop vac here. Now, like I said, you don't wanna make that shop vac spin that. So what I do is I just get my toothbrush in there. Usually, let me get a view for you. And I start scraping at it and then scrape it towards my shop vac and it just kind of sucks it out. So that's a painstaking process. You can see, man, so much dog hair and stuff in there. So I'm gonna get doing that and then I'll show you when it's complete because you don't wanna watch me and listen to the shop vac go. Okay guys, this one's still pretty bad. I've been cleaning it for about 5 minutes, so I have to get out my picks and I have to go through, and it's got a lot of hair in it and just kind of, it's hard to do while I'm filming, but just try and grab those out, get them sucked into the shop vac. But I mean, it's a lot cleaner than what it was, but I'm gonna clean it some more. Okay guys, you can see that is much, much, much cleaner. There's still a little bit of dirt in there, but I've been scraping it with a pick and a screwdriver, and that's about all I think I'm gonna get off. So I'm gonna go ahead and button it back up. I went ahead and vacuumed out this vent tube also. So I think we're good. It blows out this way, so I may end up in a cloud of dust the first time I take it for a spin, but that's okay. I'd rather have it outside of here than inside. So that's how I normally do them. I don't take it off. I don't spray anything inside there because I'm afraid, you know, that's a bearing in there. I don't want to reduce the life of it. I just kind of clean it and dust it and go from there. So I think that's all I'm going to do. Button it back up. We'll take it for a spin. But anyway, guys, that's how I clean my fan. Let me know how you do yours, and we'll see you next time. If you're wondering, this is the only tools I use to clean this up besides just shop vac, right? We got the toothbrush, the little trim popping tool. I'll put a link to that below in the description. The picks, the screwdrivers, and then the 10 millimeter to get some of the bolts out to get the panels off.